NTSP615 Spring Boot MVC. Guys, check your audio and video settings, please. Spring Boot MVC I18n. I18n. Today's date is what? 9th, guys. April 9th. Yeah. Someone is asking me question. When we use filter, when we use interceptor. In Servlet JSP application, we use filter. In Spring MVC, Spring Boot MV applications, we should use handler interceptors. Okay. In Servlet JSP based web applications. Okay, we take the support of Servlet filters to add pre and post logics, pre-request processing and post-response generation logics. In Spring MVC, Spring Boot MVC web applications. Spring MVC, Spring Boot MVC web applications. We take the support of what is that? JWE filters. What filters, guys? Sorry, handler interceptors. Handler interceptor. Okay, to add pre-post after completion logics. What, guys? Pre-post after completion logics. Yeah, shall we get into today's discussion, guys? Okay. My camera is on now, boss. Okay, guys. Tell me. I18n in Spring Boot MVC application. I18n in Spring Boot MVC application. Yeah, tell me, guys. I18n internationalization. Okay. Internationalization. I18 letters N. So in shortcut, it is what? I18n. In shortcut, it is what? I18n. Cool, guys. Okay. Making our application working for different locales is called enabling I18n. Working for different locales is called enabling what? I18n on the application. On the application. Okay. Locale means Language plus country. Examples, guys. EN US. What, guys? EN US. English as it speaks in USA. English as it speaks in USA. English as it speaks in USA. English as it speaks in US. English as it speaks in USA. Yeah, FR. Tomorrow class is there at 8:30 a.m. French as it speaks in France, guys. Okay. Okay. French as it speaks in France, guys. HIIN. Hindi as it speaks in India. As it speaks in India. And etc. Okay, there is a chance like FRCA. This is very popular. French. Sir, what do you mean by French? French is French everywhere. Na? Accent difference will be there. Slang differences will be there, guys. French as it speaks in Canada. And etc. Guys. Okay. By enabling I18n on the application. I18n on the application. We can change the following presentations according to the locale that is chosen. According to the locale that is chosen, guys. According to the locale that is chosen. Yeah. Presentation labels, guys. B. Presentation labels. English Hindi labels. Yeah, English labels. What is that? Hindi label. Are Google home page is the inspiration. We are also going to design exactly like that only, right? Google home page is the inspiration. Google.com. See, guys, Hindi. Everything comes in Hindi. Telugu, maximum things are coming. Kannada, maximum things are coming in Kannada. What is this, guys? I don't know. So coming in that. Okay, I think this is what? Marathi. Maximum things are coming in Marathi. Marathi also Hindi script, guys. Maximum things are. I think it is Malayalam. Maximum things are coming in Malayalam. This is Punjabi, fine, whatever it is. Right. See, according to Hindi language, the things are coming. Indian community, the things are coming. We'll choose English, guys. If nothing is chosen, English is the default. Presentation labels, guys. Next, date patterns. Array, if I choose Hindi, array date patterns will come according to Indian pattern. What is that? DDMMYY. Oh, okay. Next, time patterns. Okay. Next, number formats. Array number formats. Array number formats also there are, sir. Yes, there was. Number formats. We follow British numbering system. Units, tens, hundreds. Tell me. Thousands, lakhs, crores. Lakhs, crores. Got it, guys? We follow this system, guys. We seriously, literally follow this system. Come on. Yeah, but US people follow what? Units, tens, hundreds, thousands. After that, what? Million, trillion. Okay, they go in a different billion. This kind of language, right, boss? Accordingly, commas will be changed between the numbers. Between the numbers, commas will be changed, guys. Right? Next, currency symbols, boss. Currency symbols. Next, content indentation. Indentation. Okay. Most of the languages left to right. Most of the languages left to right. But Urdu, Arabic, right to left. Okay, Urdu, Arabic, and etc. right to left. Yes or no, na? Yeah, indentation also will be changed now, boss. Okay, these many things we have to take care, guys. You can take care only one thing or many things, guys. Example, guys, Google home page. Next, Gmail page, Gmail inbox page. There also internationalization is there. YouTube also there. Okay, YouTube. Next. Okay, then Facebook also there. Facebook is now giving English and other language both together, and etc. Amazon.com is also coming nowadays. Amazon. Okay. Yeah, Google Map also nowadays it is behaving like this. Cool, guys. All right. In all these places, you can see this, guys. By adding I18n support, we can sell our products, software products to more clients. Okay. If they are web applications, okay, then we can attract more customers belonging to different countries and localities. Are you getting my point, guys? Okay, guys. For presentation labels of I18n. For presentation labels of I18n. For presentation labels of I18n. Come on, guys. For presentation labels of I18n. For presentation labels of I18n, we need to take multiple properties files for multiple locales on one per locale basis. Multiple properties file for multiple locales. On what basis, guys? One per locale basis. Are you understanding my statement, my dear? On one per locale basis. Yeah. Listen. app.properties, base properties file. Base property file, which contains what? English labels. What labels, guys? English labels. Next, app_fr_fr.properties. Tell me, guys, for French. Okay, French labels, guys. French labels will be maintained here. app_de_de.properties. For German, guys. For German labels. German labels. app_, okay, hi_in.properties. For Hindi, having Hindi labels. Hindi labels, boss. It simply contains what labels, my dear? It literally, solidly contains what labels, guys? Come on. Solidly, literally contains what labels, guys? Okay, guys. Tell me, guys. For Hindi labels, guys. Right. No, like this, we will take multiple properties file. Yes. Okay. Now listen, guys. All these properties files must have same keys, but different values. Different values collected from Google Translator. Collected from Google Translator. We don't know all these languages now, boss. Do you know all these languages? What is keys there? Keys my choice, ra babu. Property file contains keys and values. Keys are my choice, right? And from each key, each label will be collected. From each key, each label will be collected. What is my requirement, guys? My requirement is this one. Home page, boss. My application requirement is very simple, guys. Home page, guys. Home page. Here is welcome to Spring. Welcome to Spring, guys. Welcome to Spring. Listen, at different times you want to see in different messages, guys. Here, all languages I want to present. What are those? French, French, German, Hindi. If you want, you can add more languages. Okay. French, German, Hindi was. French, German, Hindi. Here, what is there? Register customer. Register customer. This is the hyperlink. This is not hyperlink. This is just heading content. Register customer. Understanding my statement, my dear? Here, customer underscore register dot JS. Yeah, tell me, guys. Customer name, customer address, customer name, customer address, customer bill amount. Customer name, customer address, customer bill. Okay. Here is my text box 1, text box 2, text box 3. Total how many text box, guys? 3 text box. Register. Register. Here also I want to do the same thing, guys. Here also I would like to do the same thing. Yeah. French guys, German guys, Hindi. French, German, Hindi. French, German, Hindi, guys. That's it was. Yeah, default English. Anyhow, English will be there. Yeah, here also you want to have a English, you can have a English. You want to have a English, you can have a English. This is my requirement. Yes, default is English. Anyhow, things will come English. But after changing to one language, you want to get another language, you can have it. Okay, boss. Right? So this is basic requirement. Okay, after clicking registration, success failure will come. That's not very important. So in these two places, I want to get like this. All right. So shall we go for it now? No, if you don't, no, we can select only languages I am presenting here, right? There is a question of selecting other languages. We can, because for all this thing, I keep my property file set up ready. Remaining things, I don't keep things ready. Got it, guys? Step number 1, create Spring Boot, Spring Starter project, adding the following dependencies. Adding the following dependency. Lombok, Spring Web, I think these two are sufficient, guys. Okay, in future I may use JSTL, guys. JSTL. To support internationalization, one or other time I have to use JSTL. Yes, let's create that. Let us create it. Fine. Let's start doing the work, guys. File new, Spring Boot starter project. File new Spring Boot starter project, guys. Yeah. Spring Boot MVC pros. What's the number, guys? 15. Okay. Yeah. I18n. I18n. Even where all are same, guys. Say next. Spring Web Lombok JSTL is not there. It seems you have to add manually. Okay. We'll add manually, not a issue. Finish. We need to add manually, guys. Meanwhile, we'll keep that run ready, guys. mvnrepository.com. mvnrepository.com. Here is my JSTL, guys. Yes, second one is JSTL 1.2 boss. Got it, guys. Nice, boss. Here is my pom.xml. Here is my pom.xml. Say paste. I can get from old projects also, not a issue. Okay, boss. Next, step number 2. Prepare multiple properties file for multiple locales. As shown above. Having same keys with the different values. Collected from. With the different values collected from Google Translator. Yes. Yeah, here is my application.properties, guys. Base file. What labels, guys? English labels. Find out what are the labels that we are looking for, guys. Total 2 pages, guys. Home page. This is one label. This hyperlink content also one label, guys. This hyperlink content also one label. Here 4 hyperlink fixed content. 4 hyperlink fixed content. Here 4 plus 1, 5 labels. And here I want to have one more message. Customer registration page. Something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 labels. Here 1, 2 hyperlink content, including hyperlink content, 2 labels. Including hyperlink content, 2 labels. Yes, boss. Tell me here, what is this? Tell me, guys, here. This is my base file, boss. This is my base file. Shall we get into the discussions of that? Yeah. Tell me here. Home dot. Tell me. Title. Home page dot title or home dot title. Your choice. Home dot title. Welcome to Spring Boot MVC. That's a message, different message. Okay, welcome to Spring. Fine, no problem. That's not an issue. Home dot link. TITLE. Home dot link. Yeah, in English, guys, what is that? in English? Register customer. Register customer. Fine. That is for home page, guys. Next one. Cust dot registration dot name. Customer name. What are the labels I have taken? Customer name, address, bill amount. Cust dot registration dot address. Customer address. Cust dot registration dot bill amount. Customer bill amount. Customer bill amount. Order is not important. Customer dot registration dot title. Title, TITLE, title. Customer registration page. Customer registration page. Yeah, this is base file, guys. File save as, guys. Application underscore fr underscore fr dot properties. Fr underscore fr dot properties. Tell me here what is there, guys. Tell me here what is there, my dear. Translator. Where is translator? Here is translator. Yeah, you'll enjoy like anything, guys. Google Translate. Yeah, Google Translate, guys. Yeah, basically this is so from language, this is to language, guys. From language is what, guys? Tell me. Welcome to Spring Boot MVC. That's the one thing. What's the another thing, guys? Register customer. That's another thing, guys. Come on. Customer registration page. Next, customer name. Next, customer address. Customer name, customer address. Customer bill amount. Customer bill amount. Register. Yes. Right. I think that is also one label left, boss. Okay, it is taking spring as a season. I know that. I know that. That problem will come. So first of all, we will take what language? French, guys. French. Yeah. Right. Welcome to this. But yeah, this I want to see as a known only. This I want to see as a known only. This I want to present as it is, guys. Okay. I think remaining are fine. Remaining all fine, guys. Everyone got it? Client, 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 client. Okay. Let's take these things, boss. Let's take these, guys. Come to what labels, guys? French labels. Okay. French locale file. French locale file. Tell me here what keys should be same. Cut it, paste it. Yeah. Cut it, paste it. Cut it, paste it. Again, cut it, Again paste it. Yeah, like this we have to do. Cut it, paste it. Cut it, paste. Edited, edited. Who needs Ra? Fine. Right. This is the first page information. This is second page information, guys. Yeah. Now I will choose a German, boss. I'll choose a German. This is German language, my dear. File, save as. Application underscore D underscore D dot properties. Save, paste. Cut, guys. Paste. Cut, guys. Paste. Cut, guys. Paste. Cut, guys. Paste. Cut. Cut, paste. Done, guys. Yeah, we'll take another one language, guys. File, save as. Yeah, but Hindi cannot be written using English alphabets. Hindi has got its own alphabets, right? Hindi has got its own alphabet. That's why here you will get, guys, here in Google Translator, you will get Hindi. But in reality, when you paste it in the properties file, it will try to put, what is that? It will try to put Unicode characters. Other day we used Unicode character now for space. That kind of things will happen. Okay, welcome to Spring APC. Oh, Spring MVC में आपका स्वागत है. Spring, what is this? अच्छा, Spring Boot MVC में आपका स्वागत है. ग्राहक पंजीकरण, what is that? पंजीकृत करे, fine. ग्राहक पंजीकरण पेज, what is that page? ग्राहक का नाम, ग्राहक का पता, ग्राहक का बिल, what is this? रसी, रसिया, okay, रसी, money, okay, fine, nice. Register करे, I didn't like it. पंजीकृत करे, पंजीकृत करे, sir. पंजीकृत करे, fine. Hey, Telugu people, you can try in Telugu also. Telugu people, you can try in Telugu also. I don't mind. Yeah, but don't expect here same Hindi should come. You will get Unicode characters. Earlier we used to convert these things separately, Ra Babu. Now not required. In Eclipse, when you paste in property file, automatically we are getting them. Cut, paste. Yeah, Hindi labels. Hindi locale. Hindi labels. Like this, you can play with any language, Rabab. Oh, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I didn't remove. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Extra, na? Extra came. 1 minute. Don't worry, boss. Copy these guys. Paste it, ra babu. First two things you remove, ra naina. First two things you remove. 948, that's perfect. Second one is 902. Second one is 902. That is missing. Cut. Yes. First one you remove. Cut. Okay. Paste. Cut. What is this? Paste. Array, what is happening, guys? No, year 7. Oh, I think we have not taken any key for the last one. I got it. It's my mistake. I'll rectify it. I'll rectify everywhere, my dear. Cut. Oh, this is giving problem. I got it. So paste bill amount. Tell me, customer custard button dot register. Yes, this is missing everywhere. Huh? Yeah, right. This is missing everywhere. So second one and third one is same. No, boss. 94D 930. So not same. You are thinking wrong. Okay, this is right. Okay, D underscore D. I think here also, instead of bill amount, something else has come. French. This is the one I have to take. This is the bill amount. Yeah, tell me what is the key. Customer dot BTN dot register. BTN dot register. Say paste. Customer dot BTN dot register. Copy this guy. Oh, sorry. Copy these guys. Say paste. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Akshay, you are able to answer the questions of what they asked now. Your confidence increased now. I'm very happy. You are saying interview best means you might have done all answers, right? Right, guys. Confidence should be increased, guys. That's it. If you increase your confidence. Okay, let it be, guys. Tell me, everyone. Yeah, in French that is solid, guys. In French that is solid. Sorry, in German, we're in German file. Okay, whatever it is. We are in German file that is solid. Let's go to French. Yeah, in French also same thing. Bill amount has come like this. I think in German I have written this. Okay, register. Go to German. German word only you add. You take this. Oh, that is done. Okay, then we will take this. Some masala is happening, boss. Say paste. Registration. Done. FR bill amount. This is wrong. This I should take for what? Next one. What is the next one? Custard registration dot. What is this? Custard registration dot. Custard BTN dot registration. Custard registration dot bill amount. Copy this, guys, paste it. Are you understanding my statement? Yeah. French also over. English, I think from the beginning it is perfectly there for English. English, any problem? Acha, problem is basically started here. Now I understood. Custard dot BTN dot. Custard dot BTN dot. What is that? Caption. Registration. Register or registration? Yaar. Register. Array. Oh, this is also headache. Register we will take. Register we will take. Register. Register. Okay. Register. Register. And I think for that one I have to use register only. Fine. I think 1-2 labels gone here and there. Don't worry, my dear. Don't worry about it. Okay. I have taken multiple properties file. Yeah, it's listen, guys. It's not compulsory you should use same labels. You can take a different labels also, boss. Okay, I think already application dot property busy for other activities, na. So let's not take same name, guys. We'll take a different names only, because otherwise that may confuse you. Here, what is that? My file dot properties. Okay, we'll go for like this. My file dot hi, because I don't want to disturb the basic mechanism. Yes, next. My file dot fr underscore fr. We'll take different one because I don't want to lose the basic facilities that are there with application dot. Yes. Now, as usual, we have a regular application dot properties. Where is this? Others file? Yeah, application dot properties, so that we won't have any confusion, boss. Right. Okay. Yeah, we are ready, boss. Tell me here. This is there. Configure this. Say paste. Configure this. Say paste. Tell me here, what should I do? My file dot properties. Yeah, here is my file dot properties. Yeah, extension should be dot properties. My file dot properties. My file dot properties. Next. My file underscore. Okay. hi dot hi underscore properties. hi underscore in dot properties. Next, I will paste very fastly above. D underscore properties. Yeah, what is that? My file underscore D underscore D dot properties. D underscore D dot properties. Say paste. Next, my file underscore. Tell me next one. D underscore FR underscore FR dot properties. FR underscore FR dot. Yeah. Oh, reverse. No. Actually, it's right. Only the thing is letters are not changed. That's it. This label is not changed. Yes. Okay. In the time of development also, we didn't change the label. German. German letter. German local. Fine. Don't think much. Here, where is this German, guys? Here. Here, the word German is not changed, guys. German local, German labels. Yeah, don't worry much, guys. Yes, boss. Now tell me next one. Step number 3, guys. Step number 3. Tell me, guys. Here all configure base properties file. What, guys? Base properties file in application dot properties. In application dot properties, guys. Yeah, how does it knows otherwise? Okay. How does guys? Tell me. My file dot properties, guys. Yeah, here is my application dot properties, my dear. Application dot properties. Enable I18n. Yeah, array anyone I Spring dot I18 Spring dot I18n. Array, there is a key, guys. Other day also we used it, Babu. Other day also we used that key. Anyone remember that? As part of where is that? As part of form validation error messages also we have discussed that. Okay. Tell me. Enabling. Okay, I forgot the key, no problem. I18n in Spring Boot MVC. Okay, Spring Boot MVC. Spring Boot MVC, guys. Yeah, this fellow is still talking properties file. Very bad. Keys. No, yeah, not encoding, Babu. Spring Boot internalization. Wait, I'll tell. How to enable. Hello. Yeah. Spring dot messages dot base name. Spring dot messages dot base name. Messages dot base name. See, guys, comma separated list of base name, especially qualified class, each following resource bundle convention with all this stuff. It does not contain a package qualifier such as it will be resolved from the class path root. Okay, fine, no problem. Yeah, right now, are we keeping any package, guys? No. So then what is the name of the file? My file. And by default, Tell me, SRC main resources is there in the class path or not? Only base name is efficient. There is no need of giving any locale names or dot properties. Only base name is sufficient. Yes, guys. In application dot properties. Yeah. Other day also we used, if you remember somewhere, when you have separate separate properties file for error messages. Okay, that time also we linked like this only. Remembered? Okay. Configure. Okay. Enable I18n. Not enabling, guys. Okay. Configure base properties file. Configure base properties file. What is that, guys? Configure base properties file. Next. Okay. Activate I18n in Spring MVC, Spring Boot MVC application. Spring Boot MVC application by configuring session locale resolver. Session locale resolver as the Spring Bean. By configuring session locale resolver as the Spring Bean, guys. Are you comfortable, my dear? Session locale resolver as the Spring Bean. Where you should write, guys? Array, this class itself, configuration class, guys. Can we configure here, boss? Definitely we can configure. Yeah, tell me, guys. Public locale session resolver. What's the class name, guys? Locale session resolver. No, reverse. Session locale resolver. Array, this is to just activate, guys. Session locale resolver. Create SL resolver. Create SL resolver. Tell me, boss, here. Session locale resolver. Array, @bean method. Resolver is equal to new session locale resolver of. Tell me, resolver dot. Tell me, set default locale. If no locale is given, tell me, EN I am taking. If no locale is given, I would like to take EN. Set default locale, guys. If no locale, what is this? Set default locale, return if no other locale is found. Right. Okay, fine. Locale. Okay, fine, boss. New locale of. What is this? New locale of language and country. If no locale found, I would like to take what? What is the default locale, guys? What is the default locale? EN USA. EN is in language. USA is the country. EN US. Country code. Yes, boss. Now tell me next one. Resolver dot. Okay, not required, boss. Nothing else required, guys. This is to just activate I18n, guys. By default, Spring MVC application is Not ready for internationalization. It is not ready for internationalization, guys. You have to activate it. You have to activate it at the rate bean method. At the rate bean method. This one executes automatically and activates it, guys. Yes, guys. Tell me, guys, in main class, where I should write this code in main class. No problem. This is at the rate bean method. Cool. Are you understanding my statement? In main class at the rate bean, guys. This is to activate. Yeah, if you want to see the documentation, you can see the documentation of this class. No hurry burry, guys. We have to understand thoroughly. Session locale resolver. Resolvers are there to activate certain facility bus, which is not ready by default. Session locale resolver. Session locale resolver. Tell me, locale resolver implementation that uses locale attribute in user session in case of custom setting with fallback to specified default locale or request accept locale. This one. This is most appropriate if application uses anyhow when HTTP session or whatever it is ultimately there to activate locale, guys. Ultimately there, this is there to activate locale. Are you understanding my statement? Okay. Resolvers are given. Resolvers are given to activate certain facility in Spring MVC or Spring Boot MVC application, which will not come automatically. Okay. Examples, guys. Examples I will give. Okay, examples which will not come automatically. Examples: tiles resolver. Tiles resolver to activate tiles. To activate tiles framework. By default, application is not ready for this. Okay, I want to activate, guys. Okay, next. Tiles resolver. Next, session locale resolver, or actually locale resolver to activate I18n. I18n session locale resolver. Next one, for file uploading also some resolver is there. CAS multi-part resolver. Multi-part resolver to activate file uploading. Definitely to activate file uploading. Yes, this will activate resolver, guys. Understanding my point? The moment this Spring Bean class object is created, it makes the underlying Spring MVC or Spring Boot MVC application, Spring MVC or Spring Boot MVC application to activate I18n on the application. I18n on the application. Okay, but one problem is there. If you activate, that is not enough, guys. I should change the locale request to request. I should change the locale request to request. Yes or no? This is just activating. I should change the locale request to request. Now listen, guys. Every request should be trapped, locale should be changed. This work can be done by through interceptor, na? This work can be done by through interceptor or not? Come on, my dear. We can do this work definitely through interceptor. What do you say, boss? This work can be done through interceptor. What do you say, guys? What do you say? Right, guys. This bean class object is created. By default, nothing is ready, boss. By default, web application is ready for normal operations. Request response kind of thing, right? Okay. Array, there are multiple implementation classes for locale resolver, guys. One is this one, cookie locale resolver, fixed locale resolver, but this is quite regularly used one. Right, boss. Session locale resolver, we are ready, boss. Now tell me what happened. Who can trap the request and who can change the request settings, guys? Interceptor, right? But the interesting thing is, you need not to develop that interceptor. They already developed that interceptor. We have to take it and activate it. We have to take it and activate it. Once you configure it, guys, once you configure it, it takes every request. What's the use of @bin? Chandan, get out of the class. Chandan, can you get out of the class? Without knowing that, why are you continuing in this batch? Please get out. I think you are a fake candidate. People have forgotten @bin method, huh? Come on, guys. Forgotten @bin method. Okay. Who asked? Please join morning batch. You are not eligible in this batch. Chandan, please get out. Okay. @bin method. What it will do? Returned object as a spring bean, right? Returned object as spring bean. Forgot that simple fundamentals, Raina. I hope you have not forgotten these fundamentals. Right, boss. It's not static, boss. It's a very basics. It's a very basic, boss. Yes, boss. Now tell me next one. Step number 4. Configure locale change interceptor as a spring bean in main class using @bin method. Using @bin method. Yeah, this interceptor takes the takes the locale value from specified request param. Okay, request param, and changes the locale of every request by trapping the request. Changes the locale of every request by trapping the request. Are you understanding my statement, my dear? Changes the locale of every request by simply trapping the request, guys. By literally trapping the request. Okay. Yeah. Now listen carefully what I am going to do. Public locale change interceptor. Locale change interceptor. Create LC interceptor. LC interceptor. Yeah, tell me guys. Locale change interceptor. Interceptor is equal to new locale change interceptor. Super. Tell me guys. Interceptor dot. What dot guys? Interceptor dot set param name. Array, along with which request parameter you want to send the language. We want to send the locale. We want to send the locale along with the lang. Lang, this is the one I want. If you don't specify some other name, it will take. Language is the default one. But I want to pass. Array, when you click on this hyperlink, one or other hyperlink, one or other additional request parameter should carry this locale na boss. French related locale, German related locale. What is that name? Lang. Okay, lang. Tell me next. Default is language. Return interceptor, guys. How to make this one as a spring bean, guys? At the rate B. How to make this one as a spring bean, guys? At the rate B. Sir, I didn't understand. Sir, that is activating, then what it is doing? This is activating I18n, but this is helping to change locale for every request. Why? Because after launching home page, guys, first I click on German. German label should come. Then I click on Hindi. Hindi label should come. Come on, what's happening? Request to request locally changing. There should be someone trapping the request and changing the locale for controller class for every request. And who is that? Interceptor. But luckily, we need not to develop that interceptor. Readily already available. Just take it and activate it. Take it and activate it. You don't believe me? Study the documentation. I have given good habit of to you people. Locale change interceptor. Study the documentation for everything, guys. Don't mug up anything. Interceptor that allows for changing current locale on every request via configurable request parameter. Default parameter name is locale. Sorry, it's my mistake. Default parameter name is locale, guys. Now you got the idea, boss. This interceptor default is locale, guys. Are you understanding my statement, my dear? Right, boss. Right. Every request to request. This is activating I18n. This is it has kept the door open. Once the door is open, so many people can come and go. Someone should be there to activate that locale changing behavior for every request, and that is this. But yesterday we discussed every interceptor should be registered with interceptor registry. For that one, we have to develop one configurer class, right? Step number 5. Step number 5. Develop custom configurer class as Spring Bean to register the above interceptor with interceptor registry. Guys. Super, boss. Super means super. Now I'm planning to develop that class, guys. Package, guys. com.nt.config, guys. Config, guys. Tell me, guys. My web MVC configurer. Right, boss. Implements. What is that? Web MVC configurer. Web MVC configurer. @component. @component. Tell me here what is this? Tell me here what is this? Tell me here what is this, guys? Add interceptors. It is expecting what? Interceptor object. Array, already we configured it as a Spring Bean, right? Locale change interceptor. @auto. How many of you understood my thought, guys? Already it has become Spring Bean now, boss. Already it has become Spring Bean. Inject to this Spring Bean so that in registry dot add interceptor paste. Registry dot add interceptor. Yes, boss. Say paste. Say this. Copy this. Say paste. My web MVC configurer.java. This is the most important line. Convinced, my dear? Right. Array interceptor will come into action only when it is registered with interceptor registry. That's the reason yesterday we discussed about handle interceptors, ra babu. Got the point, my dear? Why we discussed handle interceptor in yesterday's class? We got idea. Let us summarize what we discussed. Step number 1. We created project having these dependencies. Cool. We developed these many properties file, right? This is for I18n, guys. This is for I18n. This is for I18n. Okay, my file dot properties. This. Multiple locale specific properties file. We have used Google Translator. We configured base file with Spring Boot MVC application by using application.properties. Only base name is sufficient, guys. Only if package is not there, just base name is sufficient. Okay, next. By default, Spring MVC application is not ready for internationalization. It is just there to take the request, to process the request, to generate the response. No, I want to say, hey, MVC application be ready for internationalization. So that we have to do through resolver, and this is that resolver. Cool, guys. You configure interceptor, guys. You seriously configure interceptor. Super. You seriously configure. Why? That will activate internationalization. That will activate internationalization. But this helps us to change the locale for request to request. Okay, guys. To change the locale for request to request, guys. Got the point, my dear? Right. Are you with me, guys? Right, boss. Here is very important. This is REST. Okay. Now listen, guys. The interceptors. Spring Boot MVC application. Spring Boot MVC web application will be activated only after registering with interceptor registry. Everyone got the clarity, boss? Right. Still, lots of steps are there to do, guys. Don't miss the maza tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to see the final conclusion and results, guys. Don't miss the class. Tomorrow at what time we are having class? Tomorrow we are having at what time, guys? Okay. No hibernate class, guys. Tomorrow we have only one session. That is what? Spring Boot MVC, 8:30 a.m., guys. Thank you. Have a nice time. We'll meet tomorrow. How to make fake experience resume. I kept Krishna Kumar. I kept videos on it. Please search in the Naresh ID. Same link, guys. Same link.